in this vlog, guys, I'm gonna make some seasoned rice or seasoned quinoa. Same way you would make seasoned rice. I'm just using quinoa instead of rice. So that's what we're preparing today. Seasoned quinoa or seasoned rice. Adding in some okra. Still frozen, just taking them out took them out the freezer, so still frozen. So that's what we're gonna use right here. And then in the meantime, we got this right here. So now we just gotta put this quinoa in it. Adding in the quinoa. And then adding in the water. Got some thyme right here. Little piece of thyme. Add that in there. Get your spoon, stir it up. And get all this stuff. Stir it all up. Add in some basil. We got our basil right here. So we're adding in our basil. Turn the stove down. Then we're adding sea salt. Yeah, that's looking nice. Then we just cover it up and give that 15 minutes. So there it is, guys, all done, ready to go. So now it's time to dish it out.
That looks so. It looked like everything this time we need. Tonight forget on up.
Season rice.
It coming like a time for
quinoa.
something. Slice up and get butter up in ya. Slice and butter. Slice and butter.
See, it's the perfect amount of moistness. So see, it's not too soggy or anything. It's just perfect. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's eating time. So I'm gonna do that eating thing. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. All that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram. Right here. See y'all in the next one. Perfect, perfect. Oh man, this is good. Love and peace. See y'all in the next one.
Made